what Maaco does. Maaco can repaint your entire car fast. In most cases, just a few days. Our economical ambassador paint service is only $2.49. Make it easy. Make it right. Make it.
You know how we'll spend half the day doing our hair?
Oh, girl. Who does your hair?
A few days later, it's just,
Oh, girl.
I've been searching for something to keep my hair looking like I just got it done. Luster's Pink Light Moisturizer. Doesn't weigh my hair down, and it's conditioning moisturizer to protect my hair. I've got control. So hey, stop the fuss. We don't want to spend half the day on our hair.
We just want to look like we do.
You're pretty. Waiting long?
Yeah, and I'm late.
No car, huh?
Bad credit.
I got a car. Hey, can't get financing. Sure you can. It's easy. Just call 1-800-BAR-NONE. If you need car financing, even if you have bad credit, 1-800-BAR-NONE can get you approved in minutes. 1-800-BAR-NONE? You can? I am? Really? Scintillating. Need a car? Call 1-800-BAR-NONE. Everyone deserves a second chance. Bar none. Call.
Now there are two ways to get your bills under control. First, a Chapter 13 bill repayment plan. Consolidate and repay your bills interest-free. Prevent foreclosure and even lower your car payment. No home equity loans, no credit applications. Second, a Chapter 7 designed to provide you with a fresh start. Stop those harassing creditors and get rid of your bills once and for all. Call 888-7-HELP-US. 888-7-HELP-US. Experienced attorneys, fair fee.
Maalox Max challenges Mylanta Supreme. Who neutralizes more acid? Maalox Max relieves pressure and bloating. Maalox Max comes in 3 great new flavors. Maalox Max. 3 ways the right choice is new Maalox Max. A great.
Invention Submission Corporation can help you try to patent your idea and submit it to companies. Call 1-888-920-IDEA for free.
Wigga. How to learn Subi.